Hey everybody, Alex Ryan here, and I thought I'd just connect with you. I'm sitting here in a beautiful, beautiful hotel lobby, just just chilling out and enjoying Sydney behind me. Sydney, that's our version of the Space Needle. And this is where I work a lot of the time. I'm come to some of these hotels and I do work and I look up ideas. I jump on Alibaba on my smartphone and I find other hot products to import. I contact suppliers on WhatsApp, which, as you know, it's the China's Viber, essentially. And being in the import-export business, you can pretty much work anywhere in the world. You can work from, at home, or you can come to a nice hotel lobby and enjoy the wireless here. And today's tip, it's all about getting out there and meeting people and going to meetups and connecting and networking with people. I was at a meetup last night. I met really cool bunch of people, and I don't usually go to a lot of these, but last night I went to one of these and I met three potential customers, and it's only because I went to this meetup that I have this opportunity in front of me. There are opportunities literally everywhere, and it's only when you open your eyes and you open yourself up to these opportunities, then they'll present themselves. There is literally so many places where you can go and meet potential customers or potential suppliers. You can go to meetups, you can jump on Facebook groups, let's say for example you're in the cosmetic industry. One of the products I'm importing is in the cosmetic industry. You can join these groups on Facebook. They've got thousands of members, and each of these groups, they're asking questions about products, they're wanting answers, and you can actually look at what they're asking, what their most common FAQ is, and you can find products that satisfy that, and you've got a target market there. So the point of today's video is get out there, network. There are literally opportunities everywhere. You just got to open up your eyes and be open to it, and they will present themselves. So get out there, jump on Facebook groups, go to meetups, meet people, and you will be very surprised on how fast and how quick these opportunities present themselves. Have an awesome day, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you real soon. See you later.